Here we go.
We got all synced up now. He's got in the start, you know.
Yeah,
in assist.
yeah.
That's better. It's not shoving my nuts into the fuel tank now.
Oh, you've adjusted it, have you?
You are clear. You're all right after that juggernaut.
Clear.
There's some arsehole in the middle of the road here.
There is. He's just said the same thing.
God, I can't believe what a difference that is putting the seat to low at the back.
Is it?
Fuck me, I feel like I'm sat on the floor. I think I've sunk into that four-seater sofa of Steve's.
Yeah.
Ooh, not sure if I like that.
I feel a faff stop coming already.
Mine was telling me to go left there.
Yeah, fucking ignore that.
Yeah, we were.
Ignore that. We'll have a bit of 352 action.
Up through Lions Gate. See, Lions Gate is beautiful, apart from the scrapyard in the front.
Yeah. That's a GS in front, not a scrapyard.
How dare he say that?
Here it is. I mean, that woman who complained about a marquee would have a fucking aneurysm, wouldn't she, living here?
I have the spinning wheel of doom again.
Have you?
Yeah, I've got no signal. It'll catch up in a minute.
Exactly.
It was fine in the pub, when I come outside it's all, no, not having
Yeah.
it. These earplugs are a pain in the arse.
Lovely little village.
Mitter and Magna.
Aye, it is.
Look what I see. This is a bend that's normally got shit on it.
Lovely.
A little bit. Look at this shit in the road, look.
I know.
they are.
Hiding in the hedgerow.
Stargazing. Whatever
Are
that
you?
may be.
Another wonderful road.
Lorry!
Big lorry.
Yeah.
Potatoes.
It's always fun thinking, yeah, I'll go around that corner at that great rate of knots and there'll be some fucker hedge trimming.
Yeah, quite.
Definitely an oh shit moment.
At least you'd hear those immortal words from me. Oh, fuck.
Yes. He's minding his own business, doing the hedge trimming, and all of a sudden, from behind, he can hear diddly dee, diddly dee, diddly dee dee dee. What the fuck is that?
I wish you wouldn't make me laugh on Ben's.
The old Smith's Arms. Smallest pub in Britain, wasn't it?
Was it?
Apparently so, yeah.
It was,
I thought
yeah,
it was up in Nottingham somewhere,
There,
but I'm
the
wrong
thatch
again.
one. Not this, the thatch one there.
All right.
It was, obviously not now.
No.
I mean, you know, they say, sorry, we're packed, and they got 2 people in there.
And that's just the start. Oh. Got nothing to fuck off with that.
Where are you peeling off, Nick?
Right, so I shall peel off when we get onto the main road here, I think. And head back up to 37.
Okie dokie. Well, it's been another good day out, hasn't it?
Absolutely.
Yes, enjoyed that.
Plenty of piss taking.
Yes.
Never.
What now?
You see him in the window on his fucking pedal cycle, exercise
didn't.
cycle. He had all his fucking Lycra gear on to go
What?
riding a static bike in his living room.
Fucking hell.
Do that in your fucking kecks.
Exactly.
Right, stay safe.
Yes, gentlemen, enjoy.
And we'll I was
We
going to
shall
say swap
meet
audio
again.
files, but you didn't fucking record them, did you?
I did, but there was some missing, I'd imagine. Tally ho, cheerio.
Cheerio.